Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Holy Ghost, thank you. Hey guys, Stephen I Fought from I Fought Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. What have we got today is mining one Bitcoin. And you probably realize also that cryptocurrency is starting to rebound pretty well. Already, crypto coin Bitcoin has reached just recently 28,000 US. So today we're just going to talk about how you can buy a contract of this mining one Bitcoin app. I'm already logged into the system, so we're going to go through, and you'll probably recognize my deposits are pretty low. The reason being, we want people who can't really afford to invest with small amount of money. And for people who's got a lot of money, hey guys, just take advantage of this system. It pays quite handsomely. And all you do is give the money to the app. Every day you come and collect your profits every single day, and you'll be a happy person. However, hold on, there was something that I spotted that I didn't sort of realize before. I don't know if it will show up on this particular one. Hold on, no, it doesn't. The contract only lasts for 30 days. So that means whatever you put in here, you'll make your money plus the profit. That's guaranteed. Okay. And I'm introducing also mining one Bitcoin because they pay, their profit margin is extraordinary. It's much higher than the rest of the other mining app. But nevertheless, you want to try this one out. I'm going to buy another contract. My earlier one has expired, and I'm only going to do minimal amounts. And again, the reason is I want low income people to join the system. For people who's got a lot of money, this is where you need to be aiming. This contract here. Now, if I show you what 10 minimum deposit is, for example, let's have a look how much that's going to cost you. But before I change this chart, that's how much I'm going to invest in a moment. 0.005 Bitcoin, which is only around about 145 bucks. And that's not a lot. And again, these are for low income people. So you can take a little bit of your wage and just buy one of these. And it doesn't stop you just because you buy one today, doesn't mean you can buy another one tomorrow. You just keep adding more money into your system. And the more money you put in, the more money you're going to make. Some people that don't have a lot of money in capital in one big lump sum, but they can accumulate a small amount to add up to big amounts. So just because you buy today one contract of this particular size or amount, it doesn't stop you buying another one. All it means is every new contract you buy, it starts on a new date. It doesn't accumulate into one number. So bear that in mind. So if you really struggle, say for example, to earn a big amount of money for investment, just try these small amounts. Even if you're only putting 50 bucks in every week or every day, it still adds up to a big amount at the end of the month. But you don't get paid at the end of the month. You get paid every single day. So let's go through the process. And I was going to show you anyway how much is, what was it? The top plan. These are for people who's got a lot of cash. Okay, so if we take that number, put it in our calculator. In our calculator down here, just change this number. And it'll show exactly how much. What is it? $288,000, nearly $3,000 for you to buy 10 this contract here. So if you've got a lot of money, just pump it in there and forget about it. And this is the return. Okay, it's a simple one. Put in 10 Bitcoin, you get 30 Bitcoin, so you get an extra 20. So it's a pretty simple mathematical equation there they have given you. Sorry. I'm using my phone also because my software on my computer, it seems to be playing up a little bit. So as I was saying, if you put in 10 PTC, which is around about 2,000, let me see that, $288,240. If you put that amount of money into the system here, these are for people who's got a lot of money. I guarantee you're going to get that much, okay, within the month. But you get this every day. You come in every day and collect your pay out of that to make sure that you're correcting. And of course, if you times that, that's just extra 20 Bitcoin for yourself. That's calculations already done for you, and you don't have to work it out. What they do here is they give you exactly. And these prices also, remember, they're not affected by the price of Bitcoin that goes up and down. This is the contract, and that's exactly how much you're going to get. Okay, so calculate that into your figures. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, if you put that much in, okay, your 10 Bitcoin, and this is how much you're going to get in dollar value. And today's dollar value, or Bitcoin value anyway. Okay, $864,000 out of your 10 Bitcoin. That's guaranteed. Okay, people, that is absolutely guaranteed for you if you buy 10 Bitcoin of this program. Okay, if you buy 10, and if you buy 20, look at the huge amount that you'll be making. So let's put that into equation. I'm talking to rich people. I'm not talking to, sorry, I don't want to say low income. Just say the other investors would be more appropriate. The other investors, if you put in this much, or you buy a contract, that's how much you're going to pay for the contract. And the contract says, okay, and the contract says you're going to get this much at the end, 60 Bitcoin. So we go back to your calculation. Gives you an idea how much rich people can really make lots more money out of these systems. So what's that? You get 1 million. 1.7 million for investing 20 Bitcoin into the system. Okay, and you already saw 20 Bitcoin was yep, $576,000. You invest and you get 1.7 million in return in 30 days. And that's it. That's how simple this investment process is. It's not rocket science. So if we go back now to what I was originally doing, this is all I'm going to invest for today to show you people. I've got the 0. No, what did I have? 5, I think. That's all I'm going to invest today. 144 bucks. 144 US dollars, of course, buys me a 0.005 Bitcoin, which is this plan way back up here. It's a small plan, this one here. That will give me 0.03 Bitcoin at the end of my contract. This one here. So if we take that equation again back into a calculator, now when I get my returns at the total, this is the total return at the end. Oh, 03. Take that to our calculator. Take 10 out. And literally that's how much I should be getting out of my investment. Let's double check that we're in the right place. You put this much in. Sorry, wrong. Oh, no, sorry, it doesn't say there. But if you make some calculation, oh, here we go. If mine was 05, That's the amount of Bitcoin that you're going to be making. Okay, so let's put that in our calculator. Once again, if I'm going to invest this much, if I'm going to invest this much, I will get this much. .0066. Okay, put that in our calculator. That's how much we'll be making at the end of the contract. It's not much, but it's worth it. It is absolutely worth it. Because you're not really doing anything. You're just putting some money in collecting your wins. And of course, the more I put into the system, the more money that I'll be making. And the reason being is just to show you the little amount of money you can put in, you can really accelerate how much you can earn. And if you move up into this category, of course, as you can see, 0.02 Bitcoin, you just double it at the end of the month. So these contracts are set. They're not flexible. What they say here is exactly what you're going to be making. So if you go through the process, then you'll understand. But anyway, let's go through signing up. Which one? Golden. We're going for the golden contract. Click on that. Come down the bottom. It gives you an option. There we go. This option here to make sure you change your number. Proceed to payment. Then we'll give you a code. This code you will take to your, okay, this code. Copy this code. And don't change anything on this code. It's important. It's like your bank PIN number or your telephone number. It stays with you, or stays with this sort of transaction anyway. Then I'm going to take that back to my Binance account. See, I've got already this amount of money ready to go. I'm going to make a deposit, okay, out of Bitcoin. I'm going to transfer some Bitcoin into my mining one Bitcoin. Okay, I grab that. Remember that address we just copied, the link. This link here. This thing here that's highlighted. We brought it back into our wallet. It doesn't have to be Binance. It could be cryptocurrency. It could be Coinbase. It could be CoinSpot. Now the only problem here is it's added extra things to the system. So you got to delete all that. And I know exactly what it is to delete without deleting any of the codes on the system. Don't know why they do that, but unfortunately, that's what's happened. Okay, now these ones up the front also, they need to go. Don't ask me why I copied in that format, but it's caused a bit of hassle and it can be a bit confusing. They won't recognize it if you send all those other extra digits to it. Okay? Now, to check that, all you got to do is check that. Always check with the original code. 13, so I'm just going to read the first four up here. 13 FM, WMD3. Come back to our login detail. JMD3, correct. So once that is correct, the only other thing you're going to make sure is to click the right network. Okay, the network should be Bitcoin. And this is easy because it's highlighted for you. The only problem is it's going to cost me that much for the transfer. So it's going to drop the bit of value on what I'm going to be transferring over. Sorry, here we go. I'm going to lose $5.60 for the transfer fee. Sorry for the video. Now I'm going to click max. That means I'm going to send everything that I have in there to my one Bitcoin. Okay, did you see that? What I did was click here and there, put all the whatever Bitcoin I had in the account into the system, ready for transfer. Once that's done, all I'm going to do is click here and it's ready to fire. And the only next step I need to do then is go through the process, okay, of verifying my account. Verify my account with my email. And I go to my email, check where my Bitcoin is. Get the code. Copy this code. Take it back up to where I'm making the transfer. Paste it in here. I know it's a bit of a hassle, but these are sort of security system that you need. And it's going to send me a code to my phone. Okay. Now these are important. I'm waiting for the code to come through from my phone. Here we go. I can see it up the top there. I'm going to go out of here. I'm going to collect it first before I can come back.